Hello Gators, this is 7-3 proving triangle similar. I can use dilation and rigid motion to establish triangle similarity theorems. We will be looking at two more shortcuts to prove triangle similar. One will involve knowing three sides of one and three sides of another and showing that they are in proportion. The other method that we're going to be working with is when we're working with two sides and an included angle where the other two sides are in proportion and the included angles are congruent. Let's first look at the first shortcut, which is called side-side-side similarity. We will know that the sides all have the same ratio. So this green triangle and this blue triangle all have the sides in the same ratio. We'll call the ratio of those sides K. What we're going to do is we're going to take the little triangle, we'll take PR, and we're going to multiply it by K to make it longer, and we're going to this K is going to make it longer so that it matches LN, so it'll match this side right here. And then we're going to take QR and we're going to multiply it by K to make it longer, and it'll now be as long as MN right here. Then we'll take PQ times it by K, it'll make it longer, and it'll be as long as LM. Now that it's made longer, this triangle will now be congruent to the original triangle by SSS. Once the triangles are congruent, all the angles of one will be congruent to all the angles of the other, and we will have established similarity. So the side-side-side similarity is, you can see that to use it by noting that all the sides are in proportion, and then we can say the triangles are similar. The second method is called side angle side similarity. One angle of a triangle is congruent to one angle of the second triangle, and the sides that include the angles are proportional. So we have a situation in which this big triangle and this smaller triangle, we know the sides are different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply by K, because this is their ratio is K. So I'm going to multiply this small side by K to make it longer. I'm going to multiply this small side by K to make it longer. And then these triangles right here, let me go ahead and put little dotted lines here. So this brand new triangle will be congruent to this triangle by side angle side. And once the triangles are congruent, we know that by corresponding parts of congruent triangles, all the angles will be congruent and the last sides will also be congruent. So the shortcuts for proving triangles are similar are angle-angle similarity, side-side-side similarity, and side-angle-side similarity. Let's determine if these two triangles are similar. Notice we don't have any information about angles, and here are three methods: SSS similarity, angle-angle-angle similarity, and side-angle-side similarity. So this is probably our best candidate right here, and let's go ahead and compare sides. I'm going to compare the smallest with the smallest over here, which is 4.5. and then the medium with the medium, and then the large with the large. Okay, and this is when I reduce it, this will be 2/3. And if I times this by 2, this will be 10 over 15, and 10 over 15 is 2/3. And if I multiply this by 2 here and this by 2, I'll get 6 over 9, and I know 6 over 9 is 2 over 3. So the answer is yes, and it's by side-side-side similarity. Let's see if this triangle, PQS, that's right over here, PQS, is similar to this triangle, RQP. So we need to understand that angle Q is the same angle in both of these triangles. So let's take a look at the methods. Angle, angle, similarity, side, 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 similarity, and side, angle, side, similarity. Since we don't have two angles, we can't use this one. Since we don't have three sides information, we can't use that one. So far we have an angle pair. Let's see if we can establish the sides. So I'm going to take the longest side over here, which is 27, the one I can see, with the longest side here, 18, and compare it with a shorter side, 18, to the shorter side over here, 12. And I'm going to do a little reducing. 9 goes into here 3 times, 9 goes into here 2, 6 goes into here 3 times, 6 goes into here 2. So I have established that the two sides that form that angle have the same ratio. So I can say yes, and the reason is side, angle, side, similarity. Let's see if we can find MN. MN is right here. Now I can see that I have a big triangle with two sides and another triangle. So this is going to be 75. This is 1 and this is 1. And I do have vertical angles. So out of the three methods, angle, angle, similarity, side, 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 similarity, and side, angle, side, similarity. I can't use this one. I don't have two angles. I don't know the three sides. In fact, I'm looking for one of the sides, so I don't have that one. So the good candidate looks like side, angle, side, similarity. So it does look like I have the ratio 75 to 1, 75 to 1. I have the two angles, so I know triangle LJK will be similar to triangle L and MN. And I'll say LJ is to LM as JK is to MM. And LJ is 75 and LM is 1 and JK is 10 and MN is what I'm looking for, MN. So I'm going to cross multiply. 75 MN is equal to 10. So MN is equal to 10 over 75, and I can reduce. 5 goes into there 2 times, 5 goes into there 15. So I know this length is 2/15. Let's look at some proofs here, and remember our three methods are angle, angle, similarity, side, 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 similarity, and side, angle, side, similarity. I can see I'm not going to be able to use that one. I don't have three sides, so I can't use that one. So it looks like it's side, angle, side, similarity. That is given. And then I'm also given angle N is congruent to angle Q, and the method is side, angle, side, similarity. The three methods again are angle, angle, similarity, side, angle, side, similarity, and side, 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 similarity. No angles are given, so neither of these are useful. And step 1 is to write out the information about all the sides. They are in proportion. And that's in the given, and this is all I need. So now step 2 is I can say that they are similar, and my only method available is SSS, similarity.